Attention Walmart shoppers, the store has been placed under lockdown. All persons are required to gather in the electronics section for an emergency announcement.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Shiawassee County Department of Emergency Management and Homeland Security. Civil danger warning. A toxic chemical spill has occurred at the Oak Hill Cemetery across from the Baker College Owasso campus. A truck carrying a toxic substance crashed on a patch of ice, causing the crash. The toxic chemical has contaminated the cemetery. More importantly, the chemical spill has caused the bodies of the dead to rise from their graves and are attacking the living. People have been eaten alive. People killed by these creatures, better known as zombies, will come back to life as zombies. The Memorial Healthcare Hospital was swamped with people seeking medical attention. All the people injured by the zombies have died and reanimated 1 hour after their injury. The hospital has been overrun with the living dead. Police forces have been decimated. All emergency services are offline. All persons are required to remain in their homes or places of work. Barricade all entrances to your home. Get a weapon such as a firearm or baseball bat to defend yourself. If anyone in your home or places of work go missing, do not attempt to search for them. This includes children and pets. Do not look out the windows. Avoid unnecessary noise. Ignore all voices from the outside, no matter how human they sound. If you hear any strange noises in your place of residence, move to another room and hide. Gather enough food, water, and medical supplies to last at least 72 hours. Remain calm. The National Guard has been deployed to eliminate the threat. Shiawassee County is now quarantined. Do not attempt to leave. Continue to carry out these instructions until an all-clear is given. Once you get this message in its entirety, shut off your television immediately. This message will repeat.